Hey you guys, so I love collecting mugs and I have a small business, so I thought I'd start creating my own. So I got this right here, the HT Vront Auto Tumbler Heat Press. So we're gonna do an unboxing together. This is what the box looks like. It says how it works. Has the power on button, auto tumbler heat press, set the proper time and temperature to preheat. Insert your tumbler or mug into the machine right here. Click the start button to apply the machine. Cool down, sublimated tumbler or mug and enjoy. So that's what it looks like on the side. This is the back of the packaging. You can see one of the mugs right here, one of the tumblers. You can see the machine. This is the side of the package. It suits various tumblers and mugs, adjustable heat settings, auto shut-off feature. It's in some different languages as well. Alright, so let's start opening this up. I grabbed my scissors to open it because there's some tape at the very top. Did you guys have one of these already? Have you guys ever thought about getting one of these? Here's some instructions right here with the QR codes. To view details, you can use your camera to view the details. It has all the different precautions. Oh, wow. So there, that looks like some of the tape. Maybe that's the heat resistant tape. I'm assuming. We'll figure it out. Comes with some gloves because it is hot. It is a heat press, right? We don't want to burn our hands. All right. Oh, I see the nice purple color in here, which is one of my favorite colors. It's a beautiful Pisces color. So voila, we finally got to it. Oh, it looks really simple to use. It says optimal ironing area. Oh, I love the color, you guys. It's a nice purple color, but there's other colors. I got this color because one of my businesses is my spicy divorce party planner business, and purple is one of the prominent colors we use in our logo branding. All right, so let's see what the instructions say in here. Scan the QR code to get more detailed product usage and maintenance instructions. Scan to download the app. Join community on Discord for exclusive tutorials and more. Scan the QR code. So I'm going to scan the QR code. But first, let's read this right here. What's included in the box is the HTV Vront Auto Tumbler Heat Press, the heat-resistant gloves. We saw those, the heat-resistant tape, so we were right. A user manual and a brand card. Okay, and it says what you need is a stainless steel tumbler. We got to get us one of those. Ceramic tumbler or glass tumblers, etc. Here's the weight and the dimensions. It's not super heavy. I'm able to lift it on my own. Probably using both arms, but I think even with one arm I can lift it. Oh, no, we need two. But yeah, let's open up the QR code. All right, so this is the page that opened up with the QR code. And in here it says, meet your auto tumbler heat press. And it talks about it, its different functions, and the different features. All right, and you could connect on Discord as well. So I just wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. Once I start making my merch, my tumblers and my mugs, I'll come back and share another video and let you know what I think of this product. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So now you guys know what is included in it. All right. Let's see if there's anything else that I might have left out. I don't think so. I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in getting one, make sure and tap on the link and check out.